Chapter 16. Our Earth and Heavenly Bodies. Get set. Your teacher will take you to the playground. She will name the four corners Sun, Moon, Star and Earth. Now she will look in the other direction and play some music. You must stop wherever you are when the music stops. When the music stops, the teacher will call out one of the following: Sun, Moon, Star or Earth. If you are in the corner which the teacher has called out, then you are out of the game. The student who stays till the end wins the game. We live on Earth. It is our home. Its shape is round like a ball. The Earth moves around the Sun and gets heat and light from it. The Earth is made up of land and water. It has 3 parts of water and 1 part of land. The Earth is surrounded by air. This is called atmosphere. A small model of Earth is known as globe. There are many different features found on the Earth's surface, such as plains, islands, mountains, hills, valley, plateau, forest, desert and water bodies, etc. Plains. The flat area of land is called a plain. Most people prefer to live in the plains. They grow crops in the plains because plains are best suited for crops. Cities, towns and villages are usually built on the plains. Hills and mountains. Hill is a high land usually in the shape of a triangle. The weather on the hills is cold. A mountain is a very high piece of land. Some mountains are covered with snow. When the snow melts, the water runs down to form rivers. The pointed topmost part of the mountain is called its peak. Valley. A valley is a low-lying area between 2 hills or mountains. There are many green plants, flowers and animals in the valley. Plateau. A plateau is a raised piece of land which is flat on top. It is also called a tableland. Forest. A large area of land thickly covered with trees, bushes, etc. is called a forest. Forests give shelter to many wild animals. Desert. A large area of land that has very little water and very few plants growing on it is called a desert. A desert is usually a very hot, sandy and dry place. There is a lack of water in the desert. Only bushy plants and cactus grow there. Water bodies. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Rain is the main source of water. Rivers, lakes, seas, streams and oceans are other water bodies. To save the earth, we must grow more trees. Heavenly bodies. When we look up at the sky, we see the sun, the moon and the stars. We call them heavenly bodies. The sun. We see the sun in the daytime. It is a very large hot ball of fire. It is very big in size. It looks small because it is very far away from the earth. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon. We see the moon in the sky at night. It is round in shape and is nearer to the earth than the sun. Moon has no light of its own. The light of the sun falls on the moon and then it shines. We see different shapes of the moon on different days. There is no water and air on the moon. So, there is no life on the moon. Stars. At night, we see thousands of twinkling stars in the sky. Stars are large heavenly bodies. Stars are far away from the earth so that they look very small. Stars have their own light. The stars are always present in the sky. We cannot see them during the day because of the bright light of the sun. Did you know? The movement of Earth around the sun causes day and night. Summary. We live on Earth. It is our home. The Earth is made up of land and water. A small model of Earth is known as globe. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We see the moon in the sky at night. The light of the sun falls on the moon and then it shines. At night we see thousands of twinkling stars in the sky. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. A model of the earth is known as A. Globe, B. Hills, C. Plains. 2. Very high hills are called A. Mountains, B. Deserts, C. Valley. 3. 3/4 of the earth is covered with A. Land, B. Mountains, C. Water. 4. The shape of the earth is A. Oval, B. Rectangular, C. Round. 5. The movement of earth around the sun causes A. Day, B. Night, C. Day and night. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. The shape of the earth is like a ball. 2. A small model of earth is known as 3. Most people prefer to live in the 4. Give shelter to many wild animals. 5. That does not have its own light. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. The earth is made up of land and water. 2. The earth is surrounded by water. This is called atmosphere. 3. We see the sun in the daytime. 4. The light of the sun falls on the moon and then it shines. 5. The stars are always present in the sky. D. Match the following. 1. Mountain. 2. Plateau. 3. Desert. 4. Plain. 5. Sea. E. Answer the following questions. 1. What is Earth made up of? 2. What is a globe? 3. Why do most of the people prefer to live in the plains? 4. What are heavenly bodies? 5. What does the sun give us? 6. Why is there no life on the moon? 7. Why do stars look so small? Activity. 1. Draw a night sky in the space given below showing the moon and stars. 2. Observe the shapes of the moon for 5 weeks. Draw the shapes in the table below.